Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss triangles part 10. Exercise 6.3, question number 13. D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Here there is no figure, so let us draw the figure. Okay, let us see the figure. Here we will read the question once more. D is a point on side BC. BC is the side of the triangle ABC. So D is a point on side BC such that angle ADC, you can see angle ADC, I have marked here, equal to angle BAC. BAC, this is the angle A. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. From this question we will understand CA square is CA into CA, that is equal to CB into CD. Or otherwise we can write it as a proportion. CA by CB equal to CD by CA also. It's a proportion. So how do we get a proportion? The proportion or ratio equal only when two triangles are similar. So for proving the similarity, we are given with two angles equal. And we have to find out one more pair of angles equal so that you will be easily proving triangle ADC similar to triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC. Let us do that. So here we are given with angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. We can write it as given. So we are considering angle BAC and angle ADC. They are equal. So when we take like this BAC, ADC. So this angle is common for both these triangles. So here we are considering triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Then we will be having angle ADC equal to angle BAC, and we will say that this angle is common for, angle C is common for both. Angle C is equal to angle C, which is common. That you can see. We will be having angle C in ADC triangle and also in triangle BAC. This angle C comes. So it is common. Therefore, we will say that triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC. So this similarity only we need because we have to get this ratio. So for which we are taking triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC, a similarity. A similarity. Therefore, so we need this ratio. If two triangles are similar, three ratios we are getting. We will get AD by BA, DC by AC, AC by BC also. So let us see which one we need. We need CA by CA, or we will take it as AC. AC by, if we take AC, it will be BC. AC by BC equal to. If BC has come this side, we are left with the CD. So isn't it DC here, or CD or DC? It is the same. So DC by, if it is DC, we have to take AC. AC and CA are same. This is AC, it is same as CA. Okay, so AC into AC. AC into AC is equal to BC into DC. Or AC into AC is AC square, that is same as CA square. So AC into AC, AC square, BC into DC. As they said, we will write the answer AC square same as CA square. You can see AC here. AC same as CA. So CA square is equal to BC. BC same as CB. BC and CB are same. BC is this length. CB is also. So CB into CD same as CD same as DC. So we can write DC as CD. Okay, so this is how we will be getting the answer. It's very simple. When you see the clue, you have to choose the triangle according to what ratio we need. Okay. Question number 14. Sides AB and AC and median AD. Sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. We have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here we have triangle ABC and PQR. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR, that is equal to AD by PM given to us. AB, AC and AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and PM. So what is given? Let us write. We are given with AB by PQ equal to AC by PR, that is equal to AD by PM. We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle to prove. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, for proving, again let us come back to similarities. Here three sides proportionality given, but this side is not of triangle ABC or triangle PQR. AD by PM, it is the median. Median means it's very simple. We understood D will be the midpoint of BC and this portion, these two portions will be equal. Similarly, QM will be equal to MR because PM is the median, M is the midpoint, AD is the median, D is the midpoint. So let us consider the ratios which we need for proving ABC similar to PQR and also the corresponding angles. So we have to do some construction. Let us do the construction. Here comes the construction. We have to consider AC's midpoint as X, PR's midpoint as Y. We are joining DX as well as MY. So our construction is draw DX that will be parallel to AB since X is the midpoint. Since X is the midpoint. Here we come to our 9th standard midpoint theorem. Okay, I'll explain. So similarly, we have to draw MY parallel to PQ. Since Y is the midpoint of PR. Okay. So in 9th standard we have learned if we are joining the midpoints of two sides. Here we are considering triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of BC. X is the midpoint of AC. So in a triangle, if midpoints are joined like this, then dx will be parallel to AB and also will be half of AB. Similarly, my parallel to PQ and my is equal to half of PQ. So our idea is proving this triangle ADX similar to triangle PMY. Let us see the corresponding parts of this. We are going to consider, so this comes as our proof. Consider triangle ADX and triangle PMY. Okay, these two shaded triangles. Now there you can see already we are given with AB by PQ equal to AC by PR, AC by PR equal to AD by PM. So one ratio is available of these triangles, AD by PM. Now we have to get AX by PY. What is relation of AX with the AY? Isn't it half of AC? AX is half of AC. Because X is the midpoint, we have considered X as the midpoint. So AX is half of AC, PY is half of PR. Similarly, we have to show the proportionality dx by my. That's also easy because we know dx is half of AB. Dx parallel to AB and half of AB using our midpoint theorem. Line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of the third side. So dx is equal to half of AB, my equal to half of PQ. So when we take this given point, so that is we are given with AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. So AD by PM as it is we need, and these two things, half AB, half PQ, half AB is dx, half PQ is my. Okay, half AC, half PR, half AC is AX, half PR is PY. That is how we will be getting the ratio of all the three sides of these two triangles. So I am going to take half on both the sides. Okay, in numerator and denominator. So it will become equal to half AC by half PR. And here in the third case we don't change it. There won't be any problem. You will be knowing here multiplication in numerator and denominator. So there is no change. Now let us see what happens. Half of AB as I told you, AB's half is dx by midpoint theorem. Half of PQ, that is my, equal to half of AC, that is AX by half of PR is PY, that's equal to AD by PM. Now we see only the shaded triangle ADX and PMY. Are they similar? Because all the three ratios equal. See the ratios, dx by my, AX by PY equal to AD by PM. So three ratios are equal. Therefore, triangle ADX similar to triangle PMY. This is by SSS similarity criterion. This is by SSS similarity criterion. Three ratios equal, therefore triangle ADX similar to triangle PMY. What is the use of taking such similarity? Let me mark it as angle 1 and this as angle 2. So if two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay, this is how we will be getting angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So our idea is we have to prove this angle also. That is, let me call it as angle 3 and this as angle 4. This also equal. So similarly we can prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What is the method? Again, if we have a construction like this, here also to the midpoint x and y we have taken. Let us take some other point here. Let it be P and Q, for example. P already there, PQR. ST, let us take S and T. So here, as I told you, SD will be parallel to AC. TM will be parallel to PR. Here if we consider triangle ADB, so that step also we will write. Actually we have to write similarly, but for you to understand, I'll write the step. Consider triangle ADB. Let us see the triangle ADB. I'll explain once more. And triangle PMT. Okay, triangle ADB and triangle PMT. This is ADB. ADS I have to write. ADS, triangle ADS and triangle PMT. Don't you see that AD by PM equal to SD by TM? Okay, and also AS by PT, because AS is equal to DX. Okay, AS will be equal to DS. That's how these three proportionality come. We have to write triangle ADS is similar to triangle PMT. Because this SD is half of AC. SD is half of AC and also parallel to AC. Then AD by PM already given to us. So how to get SD? If you take half AC, we can take it as SD. Half AC is SD. Half of PR is TM. Okay. So we can write it as SD by TM is equal to AD by PM, that is equal to AS. AS is half of AB. AS by PQ. AS by PT. PT is half of PQ. Okay. So all those steps not necessary. You might have understood. Here you have to write triangle ADS similar to triangle PMT. If you want step, no problem. You have to consider it as reason I'll write here. Already given with AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. Okay, half of AB I have to take half of AB by half of PQ. Then we have to consider AD by PM already given to us. Okay, so now let us have S. AC by PR is also there. Half of AC by half of PR, that is equal to AD by PM. So half of AB I have to consider that as AS by PT. When you go through you will understand. Now half of AC here we have to take half of AC is SD. We have to say SD by TM equal to AD by PM. I'll show you with the figure, then you will understand. Here you can see, children, this is the figure. Okay, so see the figure, half AB. Half of AB is AS. AS is half of AB. Half of PQ is PT. PQ's half is PT because T is the midpoint. Okay. Now half of AC. AC is half. Is it SD? SD parallel to AC and SD half of AC. So SD half of AC I have to take as SD. Half of PR I have to take as TM. And AD by PM already given. So AS by PT equal to SD by TM equal to AD by PM. So all the three sides ratio of ADS or ASD and PTM here we have. So ASD or ADS similar to PMT. Hope you understood. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 since corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So, these are the possibilities here we have. So, it is by SSS similarity. SSS similarity criterion. So if it is similar, we can say that angle 3 of ADS equal to angle 4 of PMT. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Let us mark it. So let us write the reason. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay, corresponding angles of similar triangle. Then what we'll do, if so first one, let us have 1 equal to 2, here second one 3 is equal to 4. We are going to add equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 implies, equation 1 and 2 implies 1 plus 2. That is angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Here in the figure you can see what are angle 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 4. See the figure 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is angle A. 2 plus 4 is angle P. So angle A and angle P are equal. That is how we have proved. Angle A is equal to angle P. Already the ratios you see, children, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR here, and if angle A is equal to angle P, don't you get it as SAS similarity criterion? In triangle ABC, we have AB by PQ, first point, AC by PR. Okay, now we have proved angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is an included angle for AB and AC sides. Angle P is an included angle for side PQ and PR. So, angle A is equal to angle P. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR is equal to angle AC by PR, and also angle A is equal to angle P. Therefore, by SAS similarity criterion, we say that these two triangles are similar. That is how easily we are proving it. So, here angle A is equal to angle P. Addition of 1 and 3 becomes A. Addition of 2 and 4 become P. Also, given point I am writing AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Therefore, by SAS similarity criterion, here we have triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Very easily we have proved. So only thing is here we have to consider what is the sides proportionality, both the side and one median, proportional to side and median. First we will consider these two shaded triangle. Okay, by constructing x as the midpoint, y as the midpoint. So dx will be half of AB, my will be half of PQ. So these three sides proportionality we will write first. By SSS similarity, these two triangles similar. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, this part no need children. Just you can write it as similarly. We can prove triangle ADS similar to triangle PMT. Therefore, 3 is equal to angle 4. So adding these two angle, 1 plus 3 is angle A and 2 plus 4 is angle P. So after getting these two angles equal, take the ratio AB by PQ equal to AC by PR, which is already given. So two sides proportionality and included angle comes. Therefore by SA similarity criterion, we say that these two triangles. Here comes the next question. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So here we have to draw the figure. So how is it? A vertical pole of length 6 meter. Pole's height is 6 meter here. 6 meter. Let me consider it as AB. Cast a shadow 4 meter long, smaller than that. Okay. Let us call it as BC 4 meter. So AB's shadow on the other side as BC. So sun's position will be here actually. Therefore on the opposite side we are getting the shadow. Similarly, another one. Tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. So we have a tower. Okay. This is the tower, children. We will mark it as PQR. Yes. Angle of elevation of the sun will be the same position at the same time. Okay. So angle of elevation will be the same. We can mark it as angle C and angle R as the angle of elevation. Here tower's height we have to find out, shadow of 28 meter long. Okay. They are on the same level ground. How we'll find out tower's height? See these two triangles. Are they similar triangles? So here AB will be perpendicular to BC, vertical pole. And tower is also vertical. Usually it is vertical. So there will be different type of tower, but we consider as vertical tower. Okay. So here we have angle C is equal to angle R. We are going to consider two triangles and we will say that these two triangles are similar. If similarity comes, proportionality of the side comes. So we have to write it as consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So let us write it as angle C is equal to angle R due to angular elevation of sun. Angle C is equal to angle R. And here angle B is equal to angle Q, that is equal to 90 degree. It is understood from the question. Therefore, can't you write it as triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR? It's by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Yes. If they are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Which is the proportionality we need? AB, BC, PQ and QR only. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. This side is not necessary. AC and PR. They did not ask us. We have to just find out what is PQ. So AB value substitution AB by PQ as it is we do not know to be found out. BC 4 and QR 28. Now let us cross multiply and get the answer. Solving PQ into 4. 4 into PQ. 6 into 28. Keep PQ as it is. Transfer 4 to the other side. Becomes 4 in the denominator. How many times 4? 4 ones here. 7 fours are 28. 6 into 7, 42. So PQ length is 42 meter. Find the height of the tower is a question. So height of the tower is equal to, we have to write it in words. Height of tower is equal to 42 meter. Very simple. Okay children, this is the last question of that exercise. Similar triangles, that portion. So let us see, very simple it is. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively. Medians of triangle ABC and PQR is given to us. Where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is the next clue given. Similarity of the triangle. We have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So as we have drawn figure, here also we have to draw. Okay children, figure is ready. You can watch the figure. Triangle ABC with the AD as the median and triangle PQR with a PM as the median. So what are the clues given to us? We are given with triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Second clue is AD and PM are the medians. If it is a median, if AD is a median, is this D half of BC or BD portion will be equal to DC half. Similarly, QM will be equal to MR. M is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, QM will be half of QR. And we must prove that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. So this is a triangle we have to consider. These two triangles are similar, we have to prove. Only when two triangles are similar, as I told you, if two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. This proportionality we can show only when ADB triangle similar to triangle PMQ. So for proving the similarity, this is the clue given to us. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If it is similar, is this angle B equal to angle Q? For two triangles similar, corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, we consider angle B is equal to angle Q. Actually, C also equal to R. Angle A is equal to angle P. But we do not want it. Okay, so angle B is equal to angle Q. And since these two triangles are similar, proportionality we have AB by PQ, BC by QR. So BC relate with BD. BD is half of BC, QM is half of QR. So first let us write what all given things. Okay, we are given with triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, if two triangles are similar, we are going to write the ratio AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Only these two ratio I am going to write because we don't want AC and PR sides. We need only the triangle ADB and triangle PMQ. So for BC, if I take half on both the side of this, that is AB by PQ is equal to half BC by half QR. What is this half BC equal to? Half B is equal to BD. Half QR is equal to QM. We can write it as AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. So two sides proportionality we got, and already we have said angle B is equal to angle Q. That is the next point. Let us write angle B is equal to angle Q. Reason is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Corresponding angles are equal. That is the reason. Corresponding angles are equal. So now we have seen two sides proportionality and included angle equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, let us say that by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. That is the next step. So, therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle PMQ. You have to arrange and write. Triangle ADB similar to triangle PMQ. What is the reason? SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Now let us take the sides proportionality. We need the proportionality as AB by PQ. Here it is ready. AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. So we will write it as AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So hence proved. Okay. This is how we have to write. Hence proved. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. That point also you can write, that will be better. So here we are writing it as if two triangles are similar, then ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. So hope you understood. Bye. Stay safe.